put it in a sealed envelope, and we waited all week to find out. And HEB did a wonderful job making the cake. So now we're gonna cut it, and whatever color is inside is the gender of the baby. All right, here, Alan, you cut it.
Blue.
Oh my God.
Blue, come on, blue.
It is.
The trend continues.
And the trend continues. Oh my God.
Cut the other side to make sure.
Yay.